welcome! Thank you for joining me virtually to witness the latest pioneering achievement in mobile gaming. The Republic of Gamers has pushed the limits with every innovation. And ROG Phone builds on that legacy. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the ROG Phone 3. ROG Phone 3 features the world's fastest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus 5G mobile platform. Delivers up to 3.1 GHz of pure power. Part of the back cover is transparent, so the large heatsink is visible. The heatsink is perfectly positioned to cover the CPU and the 5G chip. Also, the redesigned 3D vapor chamber and graphite film dispel heat for maximum cooling. The brand new Aero Active Cooler 3 clip-on external fan keeps ROG Phone 3 cool to boost performance during intense gaming sessions. The visual quality of the display takes gaming experiences to the next level. With this display, ROG Phone 3 enables games that support 144 Hz. The advanced GameCool 3 cooling system ensures that the Qualcomm processor and graphics chip deliver exceptional performance all the time. The monster 6,000 mAh battery provides incredible battery life. The GameFX audio system delivers powerful and immersive gaming audio with its dual front-facing stereo speakers. ROG Phone 3 is built for gamers with new and exciting features that take gaming experiences to the next level. Air Trigger 3 technology introduces the motion sensor, an innovative new way to interact with ROG Phone 3. The unrivaled range of accessories for ROG Phone 3 will level up any mobile gaming experience. One of these accessories is the ROG Kunai 3 gamepad. With the superb grip and modular design, it offers a variety of gaming modes. The upgraded TwinView Dock 3 enables immersive dual-screen gameplay with a 144 Hz refresh rate to match with the ROG Phone 3. To enjoy gaming experiences on a large screen, simply connect ROG Phone 3 with the ROG Strix XG16 monitor. This 15.6-inch monitor supports 144 Hz via a single USB Type-C cable, so it's easy to just plug in and start playing. With a connection to these peripherals, a gaming rig also needs a superior keyboard. Now, let me introduce one of our top gaming keyboards, ROG Falcon. The space-saving layout of the ROG Falcon masterfully condenses arrow and the navigation keys into 65% size of a standard keyboard. This year, ROG Phone 3 is proudly partnering with Stadia and Unity to establish a truly integrated gaming ecosystem. ROG Phone 3 with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB ROM will be available for €1099. And ROG Phone 3 with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB ROM will be available for €999. And we have one more surprise for you. ROG Phone 3 Strix Edition with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM will be available for €799. I hope you are as excited as I am to start gaming on ROG Phone 3. Thank you everyone for joining me today.